Welcome back, everyone. In this episode, part 2, we will be putting on all the products that we bought, as you saw in the other video. And we plan on removing the fairings. I'm probably going to be removing the gas tank, the seat, and ripping off the full exhaust and putting on a whole new exhaust system. We're going to be putting in the programmer and mounting it back here on this side. The Canon filter, which again is under here. So from here I will start disassembling. Now I got everything on loosely. Nothing's tightened down. Everything seems to be, solid as it is. I had to put some springs on, so really nothing's. But for the look of it, I like the look.